spent way too much money. However, I would have spent more if I didn't have these sick deals, first of all, okay. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a video that, again, nobody asked for. Nobody wanted this video, but I realized I spent a lot of money, but I got some sick deals, and I wanted to make a video about it. So this is kind of gonna be like a little bit of a haul, try on what deals I got type of situation. As you see, I got a new chair for my office, so I'm gonna be wheeling around here and spinning around all the time, so I'm sorry. Let's get into this. So where to start? I went shopping yesterday and I had a whole day. It was so nice. It was so nice. Me and my friend went to get our nails done. Look at this. So cute. First of all, me and my friend went to get our nails done. In the morning, we got coffee, and then we got our nails done, and it was so nice. It was so much fun. And then after that, me and my mans went shopping, and I wanted to get things. I wanted to get some clothes that weren't just work clothes, because that's really all I have. I don't have clothes that like aren't just for work. And I wear all black to work all the time, obviously, because that's my dress code. And so that is all I have in my wardrobe, essentially. And we did some other shopping that wasn't just clothes shopping too, which you guys will see, of course. But I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to talk about some deals and kind of a little video on, like, when you go shopping, you're gonna have deals everywhere, and you're gonna be like, wow, this sick deal. And you're gonna be like, I gotta participate, right? Not all the time. So we're gonna talk about that as well. So getting into what I got, I went to so many different stores because we went to the mall and it was wonderful. Let's see. So I went to Bath and Body Works. Now at Bath and Body Works, I wanted smelly good things for the house because I like the house to smell amazing, and by house I mean apartment. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and I wanted to get the wallflower things, and they were having a deal where it was 5 for 25. It was like 5, yeah, I think it was like 5 for 25 or something like that. It was like 5 for 25, and I was like, cool, I'll do that. I'll get 5 wallflowers, spend 25 bucks. I got the eucalyptus and fresh rain. The eucalyptus and rain, I think, is what I got. I love anything eucalyptus, okay? So good. Anyway, so we picked out the ones that we liked, and then we picked out the little holders. We started talking about where we would put them. We realized that only having a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment does not call for having 5 of them. I was immediately distraught because, of course, I wanted 1,000 of these all over the house. Quentin had to remind me that that would be a bit excessive. We don't need one in the bathroom, the bedroom, my office, the kitchen, the living room. We don't need them everywhere. So we figured out where would be the best places to put them because, of course, everything circulates in the house really well. We figured we only need 2. We got one for the living room and we got one for my office. We realized we don't need 5. And then, of course, if you get 5, we wanted to get 5 of the like holders that plug into the wall for the wallflowers, and those are expensive. The basic ones are 5 bucks, but they go up to 20 bucks for just one thing to plug into the wall. So we were looking at, if we were to do the 5 for 23 and then the plug-ins, we were gonna be looking at over like 130 bucks. That's a bit excessive. And so while that was a good deal, it wasn't necessary. So we got 2 wallflowers and 2 of the holders. The navy holder that we got, which was the one that Quentin wanted, that's the one that's in the living room. That was 10 bucks. The frost white one that I have in my office was 10 bucks. And then the 2 wallflowers were $6.50 a piece. So in total, we spent 36 bucks. And we've had them plugged in since yesterday, and the entire house smells like eucalyptus and fresh rain, and it is the best thing ever. So we would have had 3 other ones that weren't getting used. So while it was a good deal for us in our tiny apartment, not so much. The next place we went to was icing. I wanted new jewelry. I have 2 ear piercings that I never wear jewelry in. And so I wanted to get some jewelry, but I still have the tag on this shirt, hang on. I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on jewelry that I forget to wear 99% of the time. So we went to icing, a little step up from Claire's, a little classier. And they had a buy 3 get 3 free sale. Immediately excited because lots of jewelry. So let's get into what I got there. We got ones right here. They're super, super cute. They're gold, silver. They got some marble in there. They are super adorable. All of these are hypoallergenic because I have sensitive ears. So they're all hypoallergenic. Got these ones, I love them, they're so cute. Quentin wanted alt new earrings for himself and he wanted colorful ones. And so we got him these. He's currently wearing the other pink one. Very, very cute. We got these ones for me, which I am absolutely in love with. They also came with gold moons, which is what I'm currently wearing in the second ear piercing. Obsessed. And then to be a little classy lady, I got these ones. They're like triangle crystals with triangle metal, something kind of situation. They're really, really pretty. And then I got some hoops, because every girl should have hoops, right? A little bit of sparkle on them. And then I also got the ones that I'm wearing right now, which are some dangly gold triangle marble pieces. I love these. And so they were doing the buy 3 get 3 free sale. So I was 100% going to get some dangly earrings, some studs that I could put into the second piercing, and then just some regular studs to wear in the first piercing. And so there's 3 I was already gonna get. And so of course, getting 3 free is a sick deal. In total at icing, I spent $36.44. That is with 6 pairs or 6 sets of earrings, most of which have like a gazillion on them. So $36 for a gazillion pairs of earrings that both me and my mans can wear all the time. Sick deal. I'm not gonna try on all the earrings because that would take literally the rest of my life and I'm hungry. Oh, also, here's a perk for you guys, life hack here. When they tell you about sales as you're checking out that are coming up, get hype about it because they'll give you extra coupons. Bath & Body Works is gonna be having their semi-annual 75% off clearance sale, and of course I immediately sounded hype. And so she threw in 2 $10 off any $40 purchase coupons in there. I don't know if I'll use them. I don't know if I'm gonna wanna spend 40 bucks. I probably will. I love Bath & Body Works. But if you sound hype enough, they'll throw in an extra one, or at least the lady there did. I don't know, it was great. So that was icings and Bath & Body Works. So then let's get into the clothes I got. I'm so excited. First of all, let's talk about the shirt I am wearing right now. I went to Aerie. I have never been to that store before. It reminds me a lot of American Eagle / Aeropostale, which, isn't it an American Eagle brand? I feel like Aerie is an American Eagle brand. Yeah, it is. Okay, so no wonder it reminds me of American Eagle. So I went into Aerie, and really, I only went in there because I saw lemons everywhere, and I have an obsession with lemons. I don't know why. Like, not eating lemons, but like the aesthetic of lemons and lemons on things. I'm obsessed. I don't know why. So I saw lemons all over the place, and I saw this t-shirt, and I had to have it, right? And so I went in, and it is this adorable boyfriend distressed tee that has a lemon on it, and that's really the only reason I got it. The fabric is wonderful. It's absolutely adorable. Because it is a little bit baggier, I did tie up the waist just to kind of have it define my waist a little bit more and look a little cuter. It was also conveniently on sale. It was a $25 t-shirt that I got for 17 bucks. Not the biggest sale on planet Earth, but just enough for me to be happy about getting a lemon shirt. And now I have a lemon t-shirt that is exceptionally comfortable. I went to Hot Topic because you have to. I went to Hot Topic and they were having a sale where if you bought a tank top, you got one for $5. And I was like, cool. So I immediately saw this one. I love witchy vibes, y'all know. You don't know. If you're on my Instagram, you know. If you're not, you don't know. So go follow my Instagram. But it is this adorable zodiac, moons, stars, constellation tank top that flares out at the hips. It is a low cut tank, so this is really cute to wear bandeaus with. I have this multicolored one on from Lane Bryant. It was a buy one, get one $5, and I very much wanted to participate in that sale. However, I just didn't see another tank top that really leapt out at me that I like actually really wanted. As much as I wanted to participate in the sale, I'm not gonna participate in the sale and get something that I don't actually want, obviously. Should be common sense, but I don't know about y'all. I get wrapped up in sales and then I just wanna buy everything. And I'm like, but it's a deal, I gotta get it. Not necessarily. But also at Hot Topic, they had these super cute sunglasses, and I saw the one and they were having a deal where if you bought a pair of sunglasses, you got one for $1. $1. I was very excited about that because I needed new sunglasses. I don't need new sunglasses. That is a lie. I don't need new sunglasses. I have like 6 pairs of sunglasses now at this point. Why not? They went with the tank top. They follow the witchy vibes that I am just obsessed with right now. Very excited. So at Hot Topic, I spent $39, which is way more than I wanted to spend at Hot Topic on 3 items. However, Hot Topic, as we all know, is absurdly expensive. So, is what it is, I suppose. But I would have spent a lot more on those sunglasses individually because both of them, they're $11 a piece. And I went to Forever 21 because why not? At Forever 21, I got this super adorable cropped black t-shirt that says Tokyo on it. And it says Tokyo also in Japanese in that retro pink font. Really, really cute. White, also kind of retro looking Hello Sunshine t-shirt. And it's in that mustardy yellow that is super trendy right now. This is a fitted crop, so this one I gotta get a little more comfortable with wearing just because I'm not a big fan of fitted crops on me personally right now. And yeah, y'all know that. Y'all know why. It's a little bit see-through, so you can wear either a tank top under it or a bandeau under it. I was wearing the bandeau that I was wearing under the Hot Topic tank top in the video, just to kind of add some more color into it. You don't have to, you can wear whatever you want, but it is definitely see-through, which is kind of a downside for me, but it's expected with a white shirt. So there's that. Both are very, very cute. Definitely something I don't have in my wardrobe, which is something I'm trying to get more into, is things I don't have in my wardrobe. I have a very consistent wardrobe that is like all the same stuff, and I don't want that. I want different things. So spent $29.47. Both of those shirts were on sale. I don't see what their original price was. I don't remember what they were. But I got the white Hello Sunshine shirt for $12.90. And then I got the Tokyo shirt for $14.90. And honestly, Forever 21, that's really good. Honestly, that's a really good price, in my opinion. So, sick deal. That's all I got for clothing. I didn't get a whole lot of clothing just because clothes are expensive. And then I got some skincare because y'all know how I feel about skincare. Cute. Cute. So, this isn't a part of a deal. However, I wanted to talk about it because I got it. This is the COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. And I don't know where the box is because I already started using this. But it's very, very nice. AHAs and BHAs in it, so it's supposed to kind of help resurface the skin, take away texture, help with acne, which I have all of, thank you. So I wanted to get that. It wasn't a part of a sale, but COSRX is definitely a cheaper prestige brand. It was $17 for that whole thing of toner. And in my opinion, that's really good, especially because it has both AHAs and BHAs in it. So for something that high-end ingredient-wise, $17 for it is really good. So I really like it so far. I haven't had any issues with it on my skin, and it's, I don't know, I look forward to trying it more and definitely checking in with you guys when I do like a favorites video or something. And then I got more things at Ulta. Working there will be the death of me, I promise you. I really wanted to get some Dermalogica stuff. So what I got the Daily Microfoliant, which this gets used on me when I get facials done by our esthetician, and it's heavenly, it's amazing. It doesn't bother my sensitive, dry, acne-prone skin. It in fact makes it so much better. So I'm very excited to get that. I also got the Redness Relief Essence, because as you can tell, I'm not wearing foundation. I haven't been wearing foundation for a while now. And the only thing that's been bothering me is my overall redness. I cover any acne spots I get with some concealer and I call it good. My skin's been pretty clear. And the only issue I have is how red I am all the time. It's not nearly as bad on camera as it is in person, I feel like. I have a lot of splotchiness, especially on this cheek. I have a splotch of redness that will never go away. And so I'm just hoping that with the redness essence, it might help. I'm not sure. I will definitely report back in a future video. So let's hope I don't like these enough to repurchase them, because wow, that's expensive. Or sponsor me, Dermalogica. That is everything I got on my haul. It's not the biggest haul, I know that, you know that, it's okay. But I just had a lot of fun doing all of this shopping, and I wanted to show you guys all of the cool stuff I got, and I wanted to show you guys the deals that I got, because I am very impressed with my shopping skills yesterday, and I got some really cute stuff. I look forward to wearing these shirts in videos. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys like this. If you guys want more sick deal videos, ow! If you guys want more sick deal videos and hauls and those kinds of things, make sure you guys like this video so I know. Subscribe if you want to see more of my disastrous content. I post all kinds of nonsense. I post clothing videos, I post makeup videos, skincare videos, a little bit of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner now. And yeah, I'm gonna go try out all my new skincare and all of my new stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video. Later.